Hello guys, how are you? So today we'll be going over what is an order flow and how to identify and how to use it. So first off, let's start off with what is this guys? This is a bullish trend, correct? So here we can identify how price gave you an expansion to the high, gave you a low, mitigated an order block. Previously after entering zone of demand, gave an expansion up, giving you another breaker structure, and then this is where order flow comes in. Why? Because previously what we know and understand of what is an order flow is that it's basically a way to identify where the price possibly could go and retest again. So if we know that this is where price came in and immediately gave an expansion, well, what can we find because of that? We know that, oh well, if price came there and retested, then if we grab this order block here, this is a future movement where the institutions and banks will most likely push their price into in the future and then give you another buy in the market. And then we go again and repeat the same cycle. So now if price were here, let's say, right, this is the low, this is the high, gave another breaker structure like it did here, where would price most likely go? Most likely it would go here. Why? Because previously institutions injected capital, and when they bring the price down, they mitigated this block right here. So therefore, giving this or freshly new order of demand more power for price immediately to just go down, mitigate, and then continue its trend to the high. Now, now that we have showed you an example, let's go over to the graph. All right, so let's start off from here. Order flow, right? So same as the example, we can start from here, showing that this was a low, this was a high, this was a low, this was a low, and then price here gave a breaker structure, broke the high. Immediately after it broke the high, what did it do? Same thing as we were speaking of order flow. If we come from the back, all the way from here, what can we understand? Well, here we see how price started giving you an order flow with this order block, mitigated, and then after it mitigated that, it gave you a breaker structure internally here, and then immediately came, mitigated this order block, and then after it gave you this external breaker structure, what did it do? It mitigated again right here. So these are just all points of entries that you could have taken buys in the market. And then that's where it ended. So if price would want to go and retest again, it would probably most likely go here because after it retested all these order blocks, this is the next zone where institutions most likely want to bring their price, mitigate, and go back to their bullish trend. Now, another reason why is because we have liquidity. I'm not going to be going into that in this video, but I will be making a content related to what is liquidity. So that's pretty much it, guys. Understanding what is an order flow and how to identify it, it really helps you, take entries and use it as a confirmation, to help better your trades. Because remember, as traders, we are like snipers. We don't take entries every day. We try to have probabilities, high probability chances of winning the market. So, guys, thank you so much for watching.